Hello, how are you? So everyone was asking me how to generate a consistent and long form video with a VO3. Everyone know that with VO3 we can get a 8-second limit video. But here you are seeing this video in front of you. I have generated it VO3 and it is a consistent scene and in a long form. So you can create even 2 minute or 3 minute video by this method. The method is very simple. First, you have to generate the scenes in the prompt format. Go to any chat GPT or Gemini. Like you can see here, I am generating the prompt for that. So you have to explain in simple term your scene and it will give you a prompt for that. Go to Gemini VO3, paste that prompt and generate a first scene. Then create a second prompt for the second scene and then paste the second prompt in the same video where you have created the first. So by repeating this method for any length of video, you can create a long video of your same scene. So this is very simple method. It is not a complex. I hope you like this method. So if you like it, must comment it and share it. Thank you.